Hello friend, this is from Karvil machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 850 latest model kneader mixer for Saudi Arabia client, which is used to mix the butyl rubber sealant material, high viscous material. We can see that the whole mixer will make it stainless steel, even including the electricity cabinet on the left part. The right part is the mixer itself. For the motors part, we use the Siemens brand motor. And for the reducers, we use SEW brand. SEW brand is a very famous reducer brand around the world, which is famous for its Eurodrive slogan. It is very important and a highlight of this mixer. We equipped a jacket around the mixer, which can be connected with a water chilling unit on the backside, so we can achieve the cooling function during the material mixing. At the end of the discharge screw, we equipped an electric control ball valve. Here it is, very big. This is a hydraulic system. Also, we adopt Siemens brand motor. It will drive the top lid open and close. Let's take around to see it. This is the top lid. We can see that we mirror polish it, as well as material contact part inside the mixer. Equipped a manhole for raw material feeding and 2 windows, one with light. This is Siemens brand motor and SEW brand reducer. For the electricity part, I open the door. We can see that we use Siemens brand inverters for the 2 driving system for blades and the discharging screw. And other components we use Kneader brand. We adopt a PLC system combined with mechanical buttons, so both can work at the same time. This is mechanic buttons. For the blades driving, 2 blades can separately control direction, forward, reverse, stop, jogging, speed up, speed down. Same principle for the discharging screw. Top lid open, close, light on, and ball valve open and close. This is a big cabinet inside the situation. Here it is, the 2 big guys, motor reducer. You can see SEW brand, okay. And also for the discharging system, for the driving part of the discharging system, it is Siemens brand motor and SEW brand reducer. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for the basic function of it. Okay, now we start it. 开机啊，91啊，接听。Now we would like to open the light. We can check the inside situation via this window. Now we have just started 1 blade. Also, I can check clearly via the manhole. Now we can see that blade 1 is working in the forward direction. Now we start another blade. Both blades now are rotating in the forward direction. And also the discharge screw, we start it. Now the discharge screw it's rotating in the reverse direction, which can help to push the material back into the cylinder to help mix the material more evenly during the work. For example, we can check the situation via the touch screen. Here it is. This is the max speed for blade 1, for blade 2. And this is the discharging screw reverse direction max speed, okay? 46, 25, and 28. Okay, now I would like to stop them. Off, off, off. And then we test the reverse direction via the mechanical buttons. 反转，降耳也反转，都反转。握杆这边，慢慢。Now we can see that the blades are rotating in the reverse direction, and the discharging screw is in the forward direction. This is the direction for the material discharging. Okay, now I close the manhole. 转得慢。I close the manhole. The unit now is working stable. Okay, we take this opportunity to test the electrical ball valve. Now we open it, please. Okay, we can see the ball valve opened via electric mechanic system. Through it, you can check the inside situation. Okay, now close it. 关上吧。Okay, now we are closing it. There it is. Okay, close totally. And then I would like to show our safety protection system. Once the top lid opened without any operation on the cabinet, the mixer will stop. Now open the top lid. Okay, we can see just now. Once we open the top lid, the mixer stopped without any operation on the stop button. Here it is. We can check the inside. This is the top lid. And this is the inside double sigma blades and discharge screw. We can see that all the material contact part, we make it the mirror polish. Okay. However, even in this situation, we can also drive all the blades and discharge screw. We call it the engine switch function. It is convenient for the material discharging and for maintenance cleaning of the mixer. Okay, we will display it. Operator must keep his finger on the button continuously. Now it's blade 1. Okay, once remove finger, it will not work. Now it stopped. So we must keep the finger on the button continuously. 降耳. Now we test the blade, second blade, jogging function, inching switch function. Okay, it work. Remove finger, it stop. It is in principle for the screw. Keep finger on the button. Now it work, okay. Now we close the top lid. So just now, we have make a simple test for the basic mixing function and material detailing function and safety protection function of this new Philips 850 liters model kneader mixer for Saudi Arabia client for high viscous material. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.